Hey, I'm Love, and welcome to Love Her Essence. I'm here to just do a Cricut review and unboxing to let you know. This is the Cricutmaker, the Lilac, I think. So, let's get to it. So, first off, let's get started box. See what's in here. Books, pamphlets. Hold up. This is the rotary blade, for those who don't have it. See, the rotary blade. Open Me First is just to put it together, some more stuff. Some more booklets. The black pen, that's a .4 pen. This for the blade, this goes over the blade. You might want to move that back. Yeah. Some cutting mats, in which I got more stuff coming, but this is what's here now. And the machine. So let's get this. Some more wires. I guess the other one was the USB. Bag or nothing. And it's another. Should be another blade. So this is the Lilac. Super cute. This is the basic set, I guess, and this is a scorer. And I should have more coming. And it should be another. We doing a video!
Let's be honest.
We had to stop. We had some interruptions, but yeah. So, and here is the fine point blade. Open it. There we go. It's a little fine point blade for cutting basic stuff, vinyls, things like that, of that nature. And there you have it. Little compartment here. Put your stuff, put your tools up there. Power button. Super cute. Voila. And this, I got this from the sewing machine store, but this is an Indesto knife. And that's good. It worked with it too. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.